We've come for dinner and we've been escorted because it's not safe to walk on our own in the pathway here. So we were escorted by them. Served pumpkin soup first, so you saw the way that I took it like that, and then there's bread as well. So let me taste. It's nice, it's thick, not watery, very nice. This is our plate of dinner that's been served. So there's rice with peas rice, then there's chicken here, there are some potato, and then there's mixed veggies, and this looks like beef. Yeah. It's very flavorful. Oh wow, this is the best chicken. And then there is beef. Very nice food. It's got a burst of flavors. We have dessert as well. Looks like cake. There's some cream here. That's custard.